Does temperature impact the effectiveness of the repair? Yes, it can change curing, compaction, and long-term performance. Temperature affects both chemical curing and physical compaction of repair materials, so always match product choice and technique to conditions. For cold weather, pick a cold-tolerant mix and store materials in a warm, dry place before use. Stir gently to avoid trapping cold air and work in smaller batches so the material does not chill before placement. For hot weather, keep aggregates and binders shaded and cool. Wet the substrate lightly if allowed by the product instructions to prevent premature drying and avoid working in direct midday sun. Cooling tools with water between uses helps. Follow manufacturer guidelines for minimum and maximum application temperatures and for any extended cure times. And plan for longer compaction windows in cold weather because mixtures remain malleable longer and can compact later as they warm. When using a polymer modified or oil-based patch, be aware that viscosity changes with temperature, so keep material mobile by holding at recommended temperature and using more vigorous tamping in cold conditions to achieve proper interlock with the base. Always check substrate temperature rather than air temperature because a sun-heated surface or a shaded cold slab can differ by many degrees, and that difference will dominate adhesion and cure. For final verification, allow the specified cure period before opening to traffic and do a simple surface test by probing with a fingernail or screwdriver to confirm set before allowing loads. Common problems include poor compaction, inadequate bonding, and premature material failure, and each has a simple field fix. If you cannot get the mix to compact because it chills too quickly, warm the material slightly and work in smaller lifts, compacting each layer firmly with a hand tamper or plate compactor as appropriate. If adhesion to the existing surface is weak, clean and dry the substrate thoroughly, remove loose debris, and use a primer or tack coat recommended by the manufacturer before placing the patch. If the repair appears to crumble or rut soon after placement because of temperature-induced cure issues, let the product reach recommended ambient and substrate temperatures and extend cure time before loading, or choose an alternate product rated for the extreme condition. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find projects that fit their skills and availability. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and pros share real-world tips and troubleshoot weather-related repair challenges with each other.